In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Pepperstone account. This process is straightforward and will guide you through each necessary step. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. In the search bar, type in Pepperstone and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results. It's important to make sure you're on the official website to ensure security. Look for the link that clearly says Pepperstone in the URL. Once you have located the correct link, click on it to open the Pepperstone homepage. Here you will find all the information you need about the services they offer. This is crucial because using the official site protects your personal information. Now that you're on the homepage, look for the Join Now button. It's typically prominently displayed to make it easy to find. Click on this button to begin the registration process. This step is essential as it takes you to the account creation page where you'll start your journey with Pepperstone. Next, you'll need to type in your email address and create a password. Alternatively, you can choose to sign up using an existing Apple, Google, or Facebook account. This option is available for convenience and can save you time if you prefer not to create a new password. Remember, using a strong password is key to keeping your account secure. After entering your email and password, the next step is to confirm your country of residence. This is important as it affects your trading options and the terms you'll agree to. Make sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions presented. Understanding these terms keeps you informed about your rights and obligations. From there, you'll be prompted to choose a profile type. Enter your given name, family name, date of birth, and mobile number. Once all these details are filled out, click Next to proceed. Providing accurate information is crucial at this stage, as it helps in verifying your identity later. At this point, you'll be required to take the trading suitability process. This involves answering a few questions about your trading knowledge and experience. It's designed to ensure that you're matched with the appropriate account type. This step is vital as it ensures you have the right tools and resources for your trading level. Following this, you'll need to confirm your trading experience by providing details of your past trading activities. This information helps Pepperstone tailor their services to better suit your needs. Being honest here ensures you receive the most suitable advice and support. Next up, you will be asked to verify your identity. This involves uploading a copy of your ID and performing a facial scan. This verification step is crucial for security purposes and helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you have completed all these steps, you will then be successfully signed up. You should receive a confirmation message signaling that your account is ready to use. Congratulations, you now have a Pepperstone account set up and ready to go. I hope this guide was helpful in navigating the process of opening a Pepperstone account. Remember, taking the time now to set up your account correctly will serve you well in your trading journey. Happy trading!